Hi students, good morning. Welcome to Narayana live classes. So today we will discuss about physics assignment, that is chapter is work, power, energy, assignment number 4. So first question is, a person pulls a block 2 meters along a horizontal surface by a constant force. So here given data is, force is given, that is equal to 20 newtons, and displacement 2 meters along the horizontal surface. So that S is equal to 2 meters. Okay, along the horizontal surface means here you have to take theta is equal to 0 degrees. So already we know that work done formula. So W is equal to F S cos theta. So that is equal to 20 into 2 into cos 0 1, that is equal to 40 joules. 40 joules. Okay, this is the first question. And we are going to second question. So a force 10 newtons, acting on a box and moves 1 meter along horizontal direction, and on the surface the force acting with respect to 30 degrees. 30 degrees means here it is, for example, force acting here 30 degrees. So this is the force 1 meter. Okay, here it is, force is given, F is equal to 10 newtons and displacement S is equal to 1 meter, theta is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so W is equal to F S cos theta. Okay, so W is equal to F 10 newtons into S 1 into cos 30 degrees, that is equal to root 3 by 2. So that is 5. So W is equal to 5 root 3 joules. 5 root 3 joules. Okay, this is the second question. And going to third question. Third question, a body falls freely from the rest. Already we know that height is equal. Here height is equal to 2 meters. And if the acceleration due to gravity, so G is equal to given, that is equal to 10 meter per second square, and determine the work done by the force of gravity, where it is M is equal to 1 kg. So already here theta is equal to same 0. So here W is equal to F S maximum. So W is equal to M G, here S H. Okay, so that is M is equal to 1 into 10 into H 2 meters, that is equal to 20 joules. Third option. Okay, and next question. A force of 10 newtons act on a body of mass 1 kg at rest. At rest means initial velocity 0, find the work done in 4 seconds. So first of all, already we know that here F is equal to 10 newtons, M is equal to 1.0 kg. In order to find out first one, acceleration, and T is equal to 4 seconds. So A acceleration, F is equal to ma, and A is equal to F by m. Okay, so F is equal to 10 by 1, that is equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay, we have in order to find the work done is equal to F into S, displacement here you have to find out. S is equal to ut plus of at square. Okay, u initially it is rest, so it is 0. So S is equal to half into at square, a 10 t square, that is equal to 4 square. Okay, so here S is equal to, so finally here 5. So S is equal to 5 into 60. So S is equal to 80 meters. So what is the work done? Work done W is equal to F into S. So here 10 into 80, that is equal to 800 joules. This is the option is fourth option. Okay, thank you very much. Okay.